this is my 20 points from the chemistry lecture. Point 1, you can't perform your job correctly if you don't understand chemistry. Point 2, 7 on the pH scale is neutral. Point 3, acids on the pH scale are from 0 to 6. Point 4, basic alkaline on the pH scale is 8 to 14. Point 5, AHAs, BHAs, retinol, benzoyl peroxide, hydroquinone break skin cells down. Point 6, ascorbic acid, hyaluronic acid, stem cells, growth factors, and peptides build skin cells up. Point 7, the pH of professional products does not go into the alkaline/basic zone. Point 8, acidic serums must be on the pH of our natural skin or lower in order to create change. Point 9, cleansers and nourishing serums must be the pH of our skin or higher. Point 10, you're always going to see the most concentrated ingredients at the top of the ingredient list. Point 11, xanthan gum is placed in products to thicken the product. Point 12, matter is a substance that occupies a physical space such as solid, liquid, or gas substance. Point 13, rust consists of hydrated iron. Point 14, a molecule is a group of atoms bonded together representing the smallest fundamental unit of a chemical compound that can take part in a chemical reaction. Point 15, glycolic acid is derived from sugarcane and sugar beets. Point 16, manufacturers can utilize a fermentation-based biochemical process to synthesize varying grades of glycolic acid. It is supplied in either liquid or crystalline form. Point 7, glycolic acid is derived in varying concentrations and grades depending on intended use. Point 18, cation is an atom with a positive electrical charge. Point 19, solution is a uniform mixture of two or more mutually substances. In point 20, all of the ingredients that are not as much used in the product is going to be at the bottom of the ingredient line on the product.